The food industry is packed full of career opportunities. I'm Emma Peterson, and join me to explore one of the many areas in the world of food processing, technology, and safety.
Today, we are going to explore how to make oatmeal cream pies at home. First, we make the cookies. To start, we combine the dry ingredients by blitzing all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, oatmeal, and dried fruits in a food processor to a homogeneous size. Next, we mix the liquid ingredients. Butter, oil, corn syrup, molasses, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, ginger, and allspice are creamed together in a stand mixer. 3 different types of sweeteners are used to create the necessary flavor from the molasses and soft cookie texture from the corn syrup. We then add an egg and mix until homogeneous. Then, the dry ingredients are added to the stand mixer. Finally, milk is drizzled in. Now that the dough is complete, the cookies are dished out onto baking sheets and baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. While the cookies cool, the filling is made. First, gelatin and water are mixed together in a bowl and set aside. While the gelatin hydrates, water, corn syrup, sugar, and salt are heated to 240 degrees Fahrenheit in a pot. This is the soft ball temperature in candy making, which is used to create soft, pliable confections like fudge. This texture is perfect for the creamy filling in our oatmeal cream pies. Next, the sugar mixture is cooled and added to the gelatin. After that, the mixture is whipped until light and fluffy. Lastly, vanilla extract and butter are added into the stand mixer. To make the final oatmeal cream pies, half of the cookies are flipped over, then filling is piped onto the bottom halves and the tops are put on. Now, it's time to enjoy!